Yeah man, so this is Cali Furcal, you know me I say, yo, aka Cali representing, you see me I say, out of Furcal camp, you see me I say, yeah man, I'm on just giving a little update, so right now I want to know for know, say, yeah man, I have a big new tune coming out, Lifestyle Coulda Rich, yeah man, and it's gonna be in store on the 26th of October 2018, I want to know check that one out, it's gonna be available in all the major, you understand, music stores, yeah man, Amazon, iTunes, Spotify, Deezer, yeah man, all of the stores there man, want to check it out, it's gonna be in about 32 stores. I want to know someone to big up on my fans them and give them thanks for the support over the years and over the months. Yeah man, and because right now I have 4 songs in the chart. I have a song called Round Here, you understand, Lose Them Head and Agony, which have reached number 4 in the reggae chart, the number 1 music chart, reggae in New York. And I have a big bad new tune called Medea. Yeah man, that one there has reached number 8 in the chart, the 3rd week of release. Yeah man, I'm say, I have to big up my fans them and give them thanks for the support. Yeah man, I'm say, I just keep on do the music. So I want you to check out the big bad new tune. That one they call, I say, Lifestyle Coulda Rich. Yeah man, I coulda rich, tell me lifestyle coulda rich. I say love me for me and me friend, me coulda rich, tell me lifestyle coulda rich. Yeah man, I'm say, yo, big up all the people them out there, yeah man, big up all my fans them worldwide, Jamaica, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, big up BOA production. You see me I say, all of them people them in Ghana, South Africa, yeah man, one love, out, peace, Cali Furcal in London, straight out of Jamaica, up.